Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Dale here from Timeless and welcome to another video. So in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how to clean canvas, but the kit I am going to be using for today's video is Swag King's premium shoe care kit, and they want me to help you guys in cleaning any type of sneakers. So in today's video I'm going to be using their shoe care guide, which is an ultimate guide to cleaning and keeping any shoe type fresh. This includes canvas, knit, suede, nubuck, veg tan, and leather. All of them can be found within this booklet. So the basic Swag King's 3 secrets to keeping shoes clean is frequency, tools, and process. The first one being frequency is cleaning your shoes regularly and don't wait for them to collect heavy dirt and stains over time. Tools is use the right tools to avoid any damage and discoloration, and the process is following the right process. Each individual type of shoe has its own special set of instructions. So you guys can see what I am going to be using for today's video, and getting right into it, I'm going to be cleaning this canvas pair of sneakers that I have. So the first step is taking a premium brush and dry brush the uppers of the canvas before you clean. You don't want to cause any inset stains by wetting the canvas with dirt on it, and then it'll create more stains. So for part 2 is take the standard brush and start from the bottom up. If you intend to clean the undersoles, start the undersoles with the midsoles. That way you don't clean the midsoles twice. I found this to be super helpful rather than having to clean the midsoles twice, because you did 2 steps in 2 different ways. Start out with the outsole, the bottom of the sneaker, work to the midsole up, and then you'll find that your shoe will be a lot cleaner, and it's a lot more efficient way of doing this. So as you guys can see, I cleaned the bottom of the sneaker, then worked in the midsole using their standard brush, which had a little bit harder bristles than the premium one, and this one gets really deep in there, and you guys can see looks crystal white on the midsoles of these Vans. You guys know on Vans it's pretty hard to sometimes get all the stains out. There's toothbrush methods. I found this one to be amazing. It even cleaned the logo on the back, and everything looked to be near perfection. I think it did a great job of getting those stains that were inside that rubber completely out, and even cleaning the bottom of the sneaker. Now moving on to part 3 of today's video is for the uppers. Canvas is a durable material but can easily fray if heavily rubbed. Use the premium brush and clean the uppers of the shoes. The mesh bristles will work well in cleaning off the dirt or stains. Immediately use the microfiber towel to blot and soak up any moisture or stain. So as you guys can see, it's exactly what I am doing right now. I'm blotting out all of those, extra stains that I see around the sneaker while using the product exactly how I'm supposed to and exactly how instructed. You guys can see now I'm working in that canvas, getting all those stains from the inside out, and this product did an amazing job in doing so. It took out all those underlying stains on the upper of the sneaker, the rubber on the midsole, and the outsole, and I think it did a great job. Now there is a step 4, which is actually going back and blotting with the microfiber towel, but for this sneaker I didn't actually have to do that step. So basically what that entails is going back after you finish cleaning the sneaker, blotting away any extra stains that you see using that towel, because it's good for getting deep within the sneaker. You guys can see the results are extremely well, better than anything I've ever seen with canvas sneakers. I've been wearing Vans forever, and I've never actually had a product work this amazing. So by using the link below, you guys are going to be able to pick up yourself the shoe care guide and cleaning kit in order to clean a bunch of different styles of sneakers. Let me know which one you guys want me to clean next. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you learned something from today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.